My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2017 Volkswagen Transporter Camper. This vehicle has done just over 37,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our kitchen area, which is complete with our sink, double hob and fridge just below. Moving on to our first of two double beds. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, this doubles up as 2 belted seats, making this camper 5 belts, 4 berth. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on our screen we can access radio, media, setup and sound. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot, and we have our AC just below. If we pan our camera around, we can get a good view of our pop top. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.